Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing well. As promised, I will be carbon fiber vinyl wrapping the outer inserts of the 19-inch Nova rims. If you don't know what I'm talking about, check out my previous video where I review the center cap upgrade, which is an official Tesla accessory for the Nova 19-inch rims, where the center piece, which is plastic, is replaced with real carbon fiber. I think it looks excellent. I did think that they look a little bit out of place with the regular black outer insert of the Nova rims, which is why I decided to carbon fiber wrap this. I bought this vinyl wrap from Temu, this online discount store with a lot of stuff from China. If you like watching product reviews that aren't necessarily Tesla related, check out my other channel, What's on My Desk. I do a more in-depth review of things that I buy, as well as this carbon fiber wrap specifically. I did buy this so that I could review it on my other channel and to learn how to use carbon fiber wrap before I bought something more expensive. This wrap was very cheap. It was about €3 for the quantity that I needed for all the rims. So an equivalent from 3M, for example, would have been, I think, maybe 40 euros instead. I probably will replace the current wrap with a nicer wrap later stage, but for now I think I just want to see what it looks like, to see if it is a good look. And what I'm also going to do is probably spray the end result with some Rust-Oleum top coat just to protect the finishing, because I think the wrap is quite thin and I don't want it to start tearing or decaying quite quickly. So in this video I'm going to show you how to apply the wrap, the vinyl wrap, onto here. I was actually inspired to do this by one of my subscribers who had vinyl wrapped his black inserts in pearl white. I think it looks really interesting, so definitely check it out. It's in this picture over here. And if you guys have any questions, remember to feel free to leave the questions in the comment section below. And if you like my content, remember to click the like button and subscribe, as this really helps my channel. But without further ado, I'm going to jump into showing you how to apply the vinyl wrap, how to cut it, and how to use a heat gun to wrap it around the edges. And today I'm also going to be showing you what it looks like compared to the regular one, and at the end I'll show you all 4 rims done, and you can let me know what you guys think, whether the stock looks better or carbon fiber looks better. If I could find a manufacturer for real carbon fiber inserts, I probably would have bought those instead, because I don't think the wrap is going to be as nice as real carbon fiber. But for now we're just going to deal with this, because as far as I know, I haven't seen anyone make custom carbon fiber inserts for the Nova rims. If you know any better, for the benefit of me and everyone else, leave it in the comments below, and we'll see you guys on the other side. Here are the wheel inserts. There are 3 different types, 2 different sizes, a bigger and a smaller one, as you can see here in my comparison. So this is the carbon fiber wrap that I got more than I needed as a backup, but the smaller roll is all you need, and it has enough to do all 4 rims and a little bit more extra left over in case you make mistakes. Basically, I measure out the smaller one here. The smaller one is about 10 centimeters wide and the bigger one is 12 centimeters. After I measured it out, I cut it with a craft knife and I check whether it is going over the insert and making sure there's enough bleed. And here's the time lapse of me cutting everything. In total, this project probably took over 5 hours, including making the video. Obviously not in one go, I sat and did it in my free time. If you want to watch a full tutorial how to do this, I will include it in my other channel, What's on My Desk. So go check that out if you're interested in doing this DIY project at home. But here, you can just skip over to the end if you want to see the end result. But basically what you need to do is you need to make sure that it's very clean, and I clean here with an alcoholic wipe. And here's me showing you how I am applying it onto the insert itself, and you need to make sure you don't get any bubbles. This was the first one I did for the video. Actually, I think it was the first one ever, because I set this camera up. But basically I'm showing you how to get it around the edges and stuff. Towards the end I actually got a lot better, and I didn't actually do it like this, and I got pretty proficient in making sure that I got it around the edges without having to heat it up like I do here with the heat gun, and without introducing any bubbles. As you can see, this end result, I'm trying to get these bubbles out, and it is quite difficult because I didn't do it correctly. So after you get the wrap around, you need to cut off all the excess and then make sure the edges are stuck down correctly, which is what I'm doing here. And basically once it is done, this is what it looks like. I am not very proud of this one. I actually redid this one later on because I couldn't get the bubbles on the edges out. But basically here is the end result compared to the stock. Here is me reinserting the unwrapped stock ones to compare with what my wrap ones look like. And on this wheel I am putting in the carbon fiber inserts so I can do a comparison between the stock with the stock centerpiece as well as the wrapped with the carbon fiber centerpiece to see if the carbon fiber looks much nicer than the stock one. And this is what it looks like up close. I'm quite happy that the graining is similar to the carbon fiber center cap from Tesla, so it literally looks the same in my opinion at least. And here's the original. So the original actually looks quite flat, not much contrast. Here it is without those outer covers, and I attached the final one on the last piece that I forgot. But look, this is the color of the wing, and it actually looks quite similar. The wrap looks quite similar to the color of the wing. This is stock, so that's what it looks like without the carbon fiber centerpiece. And if you go here, you can see that this is what the carbon fiber looks like, and it changes in the light. As you can see, there's a car coming, so let's see what it looks like in the light. Well, it actually looks so nice. Wow. If I look at it from far, you see that this is the stock, this is the carbon fiber. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I think it looks amazing. I'm definitely going to do all of them. Yeah, I think it looks perfect. So at this point I hadn't actually wrapped all of them yet. I actually wanted to see if it was worth it to do this project, but it was beautiful, so I continued. And also this was before I sprayed it with the top coat, which is coming later in this video. What is interesting is that in here at a certain angle it looks like this has the carbon fiber center caps because it's lit up, but actually it's just the lighting. It actually is the original black ones, as you can see. But yeah, I wish we could upload our own 3D models so then I can change this for carbon fiber as well and also add the wing. But unfortunately I think I'm asking too much. That'll be really cool customization though, and also add my own plate here as well. What do you guys think? Okay, so this next step I'm going to be spraying the trim with this acrylic clear coat, which is basically top coat, to prevent it from degrading in the different conditions. I'm going to use this box and I'm going to spray it inside this box so I don't spray all this all over my garage. Remember to use protective gear, so I'm going to put this on so that I don't inhale any paint. I'm not sure if this is even necessary, but I'm just trying to be careful. Here I put a few of the trims in each time and I leave a space in between, and then I spray it. I wait for it to dry a little bit and then I spray a few coats on. I think in total I did about 2 or 3 coats. I opened the garage a little bit more so you have more light, and also to just air out the garage. Okay, so here they are all sprayed, and this is obviously not ideal conditions. I don't have a dust-proof room, so you can see that there's some specks of like dust and stuff that went onto the paint, but this is what it looks like when it's basically dry, and it does look a little bit more dull than before, but I think maybe it will look fine once it's fully dry. I don't know if it's fully dry yet. So there's all of them, and then I'm going to clip them onto my car. I think they look fantastic, guys. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. And finally, here's the end result. I actually drove over 200 kilometers at this point with these inserts and I have no problems. I actually driven through the rain and I think the top coat is protecting it quite well, so I haven't had any issues with the vinyl specifically. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good. There definitely seems to be a cooler tone to it compared to the center caps from Tesla. I think that gives a little bit more of a warm yellow look, but I do like that the graining is quite similar and I think it makes it look quite premium. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.